Hi friends, so I'm Tarek, and in this video we're gonna talk about the protect file option. So in the last video we discussed about the selected area. We were able to make changes in this area, in this particular area, but we were not even able to select that these cell out of this yellow and yellow cells. We were not even able to select those. In this video we can select, but we cannot make changes. We can make changes in this yellow area, the selected area, but we cannot make changes. We cannot even able to edit anything or enter anything in this area. How to do that? So let's get started. So how to do that? So to do this, we have to select the particular area wherein we want the user to enter the data, and we will select this data. So we will select this area. So after selecting this range, you will have to go to the format cell like we did in the last video, and we'll have to uncheck locked button or locked option over here, and we'll have to click OK. And after clicking OK, we'll have to go to the protect sheet, and if you want, we can enter the password, or if you don't, we'll leave it blank. And we will have to go to click OK, and we will be able to select the outer area. And if we try to make any changes, it will show this message. And if we try to make any changes, we are able to enter in the database the text or anything we want in the selected area. Okay, so that's not everything. Let's do one more thing. We just want like I have entered this function, and I just want the user to see this. I don't want the user to see my formula. I just want the user to see this display, and when we click, we are not able to see this formula in the formula bar. It will be blank. So how to do that? So we also check this. We'll unprotect this, and we'll go back once again, and we will select the area once again, and we will have to go to the format cell, and we'll have to go to the height option, and we will click OK, and we'll start protect again, and we'll click OK. And once you select this one, you will not be able to see anything in the formula bar, but you can enter the formula or the function in this, but you will not be able to see the outcome in that area. So how was this video? Please tell us in the comment box, and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.